Namaste everyone. I am Shriya and you're watching SS Craft Mantra. Today we are going to make a greeting card box. So let's get started with the tutorial. You will need a colorful sheet. Take measurements as shown in the video. Now fold the edges and draw lines as shown in the video and cut them. For achieving proper shape, fold the edges correctly as shown. Glue the edges and stick as shown in the video. If you like my videos, then don't forget to subscribe SS Craft Mantra and hit the bell icon. Select all so that you'll get all notifications whenever I upload a new video. For making lid of the box, take the measurements, draw 2.3 cm lines on both sides and cut them as shown. For latest updates of my new tutorials, follow me on Instagram. My Instagram ID is SS Craft Mantra. Fold the lines and glue the middle part with the edges. Your box is ready. Decorate it as you want. If you have any suggestions, then do write in the comment section below. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, then don't forget to subscribe SS Craft Mantra and hit the bell icon to get notifications.